Hi guys, welcome to Amazing Chiang Mai. The channel shows you the amazing of Chiang Mai. Today we visit the Mesa Waterfall here in Mae Rim, and I will take you with us in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. So now it's the end of July and rainy season already started, and this is one of the waterfalls that actually has a lot of water right now, so that's pretty neat. So the entrance fee here is 100 baht for foreigners and 20 baht for Thai people. And if you come by motorbike, then you gotta pay an extra 20 baht to come inside. So today is a really hot day, as always here in Thailand. So if you come here, try to choose a day that is not as hot as today. But that's probably easier said than done.
เดินเล่นน้ำตกกันนะคะเดินไม่สนใจเราเลยเราเดินมาถึงชั้นที่8แล้วชั้นที่8หาเงินร้อนมากเขาบอกยืนตรงเคารพธงชาติ
And we finally made it to cascade number 10. And the way is pretty long. So here you go. So the walking trail ends right here, and so does this video. So thank you very much for watching today's episode of Amazing Chiang Mai. The channel shows you the amazing of Chiang Mai. If you like this video, please give us a like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you next time. Until then, bye bye.